Let's talk advanced yoga poses. What exactly defines an advanced yoga pose anyway? It's more than just a pretty shape. It represents the next level of your practice, the progression you make after you've diligently mastered the basics. Think of it as building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can raise the roof. These advanced poses aren't just for contortionists or those with naturally extreme flexibility. They're accessible for anyone who has cultivated a consistent practice, understands solid alignment principles, and possesses good body awareness. It's about knowing your limits and respecting them. Advanced asanas demand a greater degree of strength, flexibility, a suppleness that comes with dedicated stretching and balance, both physically and mentally. But ultimately, they're about deepening your connection to your inner self and enriching your practice, not about showing off your physical prowess to others. If you find yourself comfortable and stable in foundational poses, and you feel a genuine readiness for a new challenge, a desire to explore further, then you might just be ready to explore them and try them out. Remember, there's absolutely no rush or pressure. Advanced poses are simply another step, another layer, in your ongoing and evolving yoga journey. So are you ready to explore the amazing things your body is capable of achieving? Let's dive in and discover the world of advanced yoga together. Why bother tackling those seemingly impossible advanced yoga poses? Why dedicate your time and energy to contorting your body into these complex shapes? Because the benefits are absolutely huge, extending far beyond just the physical. It's about unlocking a new level of well-being. You'll build serious strength, especially in your core, which acts as the powerhouse for so many other movements. A strong core translates to better posture and stability, and not just your core, but also your arms and shoulders will become incredibly strong and sculpted. Prepare to feel the burn and see the results. Flexibility and mobility skyrocket to levels you might not have thought possible. You'll move with greater ease and grace. This is because as you open up hips, back and shoulders, you release tension and create space within your body. These poses demand intense focus, sharpening your concentration and mindfulness, pushing you to be present in the moment. You'll learn to stay calm under pressure and breathe deeply through any challenge, both on and off the mat. And when you finally nail a tough pose, after weeks or months of practice, the confidence boost is incredibly real and rewarding. It's definitely not about ego or showing off. It's about the profound journey of self-discovery and discovering your own hidden potential. Ultimately, advanced yoga transforms both your body and your mind, creating a stronger, more flexible, and more centered you. Alright, let's delve into some exciting territory. Let's break down 3 classic advanced poses, each offering unique physical and mental benefits. These aren't just about achieving a shape, they're about cultivating strength, flexibility, and a deeper connection with your body. First, crow pose, Bakasana, a powerful arm balance that builds core and upper body strength. It's a fantastic way to challenge your balance and coordination, fostering a sense of empowerment and control. Start in a squat. Plant your hands, shoulder width apart, fingers spread wide for a stable base. Knees on upper arms, as high up as you can comfortably get them. Shift forward, engaging your core. Think of creating a shelf with your upper arms for your knees to rest on, and lift your feet just for a second at first. Get comfortable with the weight shift before attempting the full pose. Remember to breathe. Next, King Pigeon, Ekapada Rajakapotasana, a deep hip opener and back bend. This pose can release tension in the hips and thighs, while also promoting spinal flexibility and opening the chest. Begin in pigeon, ensuring your front shin is parallel to the front of your mat as much as possible. Bend your back knee, bringing your heel towards your glute. Reach for your foot, perhaps using a strap if needed, and open your chest, drawing your shoulder blades together. Warm up thoroughly, especially your hips and back, and never force it. Listen to your body and respect its limitations. Finally, headstand, Sirsasana, the king of inversions. Headstand can improve circulation, calm the mind, and boost energy levels. Interlace fingers, creating a stable basket for your head, forearms on the mat, shoulder width apart. Crown of head down, gently placing the crown of your head on the mat inside your hands. Walk feet in towards your elbows, lifting your hips. And lift legs with control, engaging your core to prevent swinging. Always practice near a wall at first, for safety and support. This will help you build confidence and stability. Each pose builds strength, focus, and confidence, both on and off the mat. Take your time, use props like blocks or straps to modify the poses as needed, and respect your limits. Progress is about patience, not perfection. It's about showing up for yourself and honoring your body's needs each day. Celebrate every small win, every step forward, no matter how small it may seem. These poses are challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. Remember, safety and alignment come first. It's always better to modify a pose than to risk injury. Listen to your body and enjoy the process. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery, so embrace every moment. Advanced yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning, growth, and self-acceptance. Ready to try? Let's move on to safety considerations for these advanced asanas. Safety is everything with advanced yoga. Always listen to your body. Never push through sharp pain. Warm up thoroughly, targeting wrists, hips, shoulders, and core. Use props like blocks, straps, and walls. They're tools, not cheats. Practice patience. Progress takes time and consistency. Some days you'll wobble, some days you'll fly. Both are part of the journey. Focus on your own mat, not what others are doing. Stay kind to yourself and enjoy learning. Advanced yoga isn't about fancy shapes. It's about deepening your connection to yourself. Every yogi started as a beginner, falling and learning along the way. Consistency and a positive attitude matter more than perfection. There's no timeline, just keep exploring and growing. Celebrate every step, laugh at the wobbles, and get back up. The most advanced practice is one done with awareness and courage. You've got this. Enjoy the journey.